Good medical morning. On April 18, 1955, the father of relativity, Albert Einstein, died of a burst aorta and was taken to a mortuary in Princeton, New Jersey. Einstein's wish was to be cremated, but the pathologist, Dr. Harvey, thought it a shame to destroy such a celebrated brain. Without permission, Harvey picked up a saw and cut Einstein's cranium and extracted his brain. The family was furious, but Harvey eventually convinced them his actions were all in the name of science. After cutting the brain into 240 blocks, he was able to make 1,000 slides out of different portions of Albert Einstein's brain. And in a moment, we'll explain where they remain today. Harvey boxed up the slides and sent them to researchers around the world. Although he stole the brain in the name of science, promising to publish important research, in the 4 decades that followed, he never did. But the slides that Harvey sent to qualified brain researchers around the world did reveal some interesting things about Einstein's brain. Even though Einstein's IQ was way higher than most, the size of his brain was actually smaller than the average male. More significantly though, Einstein's inferior parietal region was about 15% larger than average. It's thought to be part of the brain that helps with language and math. Another anatomical difference is that he was lacking a crevice in the skull area in the brain called the Sylvian fissure. Also, his brain did not show any significant signs of aging. It was lacking a substance called lipofuscin, which is an autofluorescent brown-yellow pigment that's not very well understood. What we do know is that it accumulates in the human body with age, and at age 76, Einstein's brain was almost completely devoid of it. But none of these facts could be considered a huge breakthrough in understanding Einstein's genius. So eventually the hubbub died down for the most part, and the famous brain was mostly forgotten. The remainder of Einstein's brain that was not dissected into slides was put into a cider box under a beer cooler in Dr. Harvey's home. After spending decades in a beer cooler, Dr. Harvey donated the brain to Princeton Hospital. As for the 1,000 slides, what happened to them? There were 5 boxes of slides created out of Einstein's brain. One of the sets of slides is at the National Museum of Health and Medicine. The rest of the slides are MIA. There's no doubt that what Harvey did wasn't exactly ethical, and probably not in the name of science, but hopefully with modern technology and our developing knowledge of the human brain, secrets about Einstein's brain may finally be revealed. And its long journey from an Ivy League hospital to a beer cooler won't be for nothing. If you watched this far into the video, please click that subscribe button. You're likely to enjoy more of our medical videos. Thanks for watching.